Welcome back to my channel again, guys. I don't know, it's your girl Sweet Pea, and this morning I am off to work. Early morning settings. It's just a short vlog, so hope you guys enjoy it. Please do remember to press the like button and share up the video then. Yeah, in a real life, guys, remember to subscribe to Talk Up TV 1. You understand? May I say, DS himself right there, so you don't know it's Wednesday morning, it should have been Tuesday morning, but yesterday was holiday, so I never go work yesterday, so I have to go today. Yeah, so I'll show you just a little bit around where I'm gonna be. You understand what I'm doing? Not much though. I have a busy day at work today because I want to leave early to go somewhere, so I will continue the vlog and I want to see where else I'm gone. Well, I'm still there, I'm not getting a drive yet. I wait to see if I get one Voxy. You know, a Voxy around things. So I wait just a little bit. I may soon get one drive though. School bus are come, big old school bus. I'm if you think I love to when the morning look like this, you know, full of frost. Yeah, be a frost all over the place. It just look nice to me, like it. I always like to see the early morning frost, you know. I get none drive it. I think somebody did go get drive quicker than what I expect. It look like a driver I always catch gun. I know when I see drive, did they go up in a scheme? And I wonder say, you drive look like it just a come out, man. But you look like a good drive when I go in style. I never realized some days so still I wait. I want to reach down by the latest 7:15. You know what I mean? Wonder if I'm going to reach there in time because I wonder why time now. After 6, you know, still probably good. This one 6:30 or good. I just passed. I don't even know somewhere after this. So not reach 7 o'clock yet. I'm sure of that. Sure of that. Alright, me reach down now, but me still have to take one next drive to reach at my workplace. Somebody have to report. I'm waiting on another drive to go see wind. This is what the place looks like. But me not really do that in the morning because the road nice and I have to understand. Me not really wait for a taxi down the same in the morning because sometimes it don't make no sense. So me I walk up a roundabout, cross the roundabout, and then I stand from right there and see if me get a taxi. Roundabout is right up there. Place nice, me I tell ya. You have radios over there, so Well, me reach at work now. Me not reach late, me reach early, me reach even before the time I did want to reach. So me I go change off and get busy. And yeah, me I go get real busy because after me leave work, me go in St. Elizabeth, so I'm going to show them a little more about the place when we reach further, you know what I mean? So I'm at seeing on the bay, me gonna quick glimpse of all the place look and thing, just a quick snap. So this is Sewing on the Bay. Me not really have a time to do a whole like wide view vlog because as me tell you, more I finish work so me can get to go St. Elizabeth. So St. Elizabeth I'm coming by later. The place nice. The place is really nice. So guys, press like if you don't know, press like it. Sometimes you have the fishes on one piece of swimming and stuff. Let me look if I see any of them. Yes, I guess so. There's a lot. So so far you see this looks so you know so this is caused by Beryl. I don't know so that's caused by Beryl. Beryl aka Root. You see me? You see what me call him Root? Because he root out all wine can root out, he root them out. Now pop down you know, root out. Alright, this is a big stringy mango tree. When I tell you say sweet from birth, I mean it's sweet from birth. Mango them done, but you know you go find one of you we left back in the tree where that have a ground. We left back in the tree, I have to go down to the ground. Watch me little friend.
I want to say something to you, because you know say it shows me one. See bottom.
The bottom. Yeah, original Nike. One number 7. A 7 this. Your foot lickler than 7.
My sister said come. To my daughter. To go to school.
Your little foot can't manage this about here. Your foot will pop. Your little foot then too fine. Your foot lickler than 7. That's not 7.
I can't see my shoe and my socks, man.
Your foot look little, a beanie bud foot that day. Yeah, that. One little part me show now because me have things to do because me don't tell no someone left. So most of the property me not really show. I just show no one little part where me da normally walk Girl and I back a morning time. So I'm gonna start work right now. I'm gonna get real busy. So I just want to stay tuned until I finish, until I show you something else. So just in the meantime, I'm gonna just go and share up the video. All who don't press like it, please do so now. I know say no, yeah, that's the coffee, me that's it too. Well, alright, stay tuned for more. We get pick up now. I'm at Montella gas station. We go to the town in the sun. The sun at kerchief wet right now. I want to frap my use and wipe my face. Yeah, later. Come on.
I want to see there.
Full up.
Thankful, you know.
Saint Elizabeth pray.
Full up. I run over. Pipeline, them a put in on the side.
Beryl! Let's get! Watch out, stop. I said if school ever open and this still are going to be a traffic. Be a traffic. I'm on till I stretch this.
Pipeline, them a put in. See?
Oh, some pipeline over there so they want to put it on thing.
Bypass, but that's all run.
Because they must have run highway up there so. You see me? See some more big pipe them over there so again. Yeah, so with the Montpellier stretch. Going up Montpellier stretch. Work is going on. Road work. Road walk are going. Traffic back up.
It get hectic, going hectic yet.
The traffic is getting hectic.
But you don't get hectic.
We finish right there, so we have a long way for going. Journey, we are journey. And I can tell me on the size, panty size, brief size, short size, blouse size, shoe size, all I size them. See, there's a 2 barrel me having or something. Only bad things me I go give it. Sheer up. So we just send on the size come. Send on the size come. All I talk of TV one fans them and all of me Sweet Pea fans them. All of my Vibe with Squaddy fans send on the size come. See they non capping. Think I lie. Yeah. Some of the farmer we are going to St. Elizabeth now. So anybody when they are sent him coming.
Time I got sent to me, I put up on a little girl and buy shrimps, you know. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
The fat girl, let's run me down.
Cause she said we pass her.
Yeah, fat girl.
Oh, that's so. I will never wear see her and then we used to little girl more. A fat girl, I call her first thing one time.
Yeah, whole heap of fans, but...
So, up at St. Elizabeth, where they sell here, right where they sell it for shrimp them.
Make a quarter, same part.
Yeah, where they sell it for shrimp.
Man. So.
We have some fans up there where I watch the movie them and stuff. But we stop and buy shrimp. Yeah, we support. So we coming today again, here little girl. We don't know your name, you know. But we always buy shrimp fry, so when you see that video, you know yourself. Yeah, big up to Alena up at Cambridge. My nice little twin friend, them when I go see them because I go put them picture. Right, that's a nice video. So, you know, go see my little, my newest twin friends, my big fans, them meet them August 6th at Cambridge Square. What did I keep up there again, Nick? My independence party did I keep. And the twins have twins, them find me, so pick up on yourself, Alena. One love take picture, one love take picture. Sister, remember, just go and pick up on yourself. And everybody else in the Cambridge, go and watch out the movie them. Pick up on yourself, same way. Whole and Nick Grill, pick up. Alright, we're on Nakalva Road now. So this is one orange farm over there, so.
Right now road under construction over here. Right now some rocky road we are going through right now. Show them
Yeah, some rocky road me I got. But me still a hide mountain.
Be a rocky road I mash up my blood clot killer and holiness, you know see it? And holiness. We're up on the road brother.
This is what the road looks like, not real life. Then say them a fix.
Click up front then and mash up the blood clot parts.
You look on the wheel, you see a wheel and move on the road not God. You see me? Alright, just see me gonna show you a restaurant. As daylight you can get cooked foods. Right over there. It's up on Nakalva Road, or if you say Sav Road, but we don't know when near Sav yet. See restaurant right there. So as early as daylight, you see them with them pot and them fire, wood fire and thing, timber fire. Yeah, Lagoda, I see that wood and there's something there you must cook.
Lagwood, what kind of cedar? Log stick. Cedar. Log stick.
There's something that they use and cook the food. Nice, me I tell you, one of the best restaurant around the cut right up here, so in real life. As early as you feel like you can come out of your bed, you can come out of the restaurant and come get something to eat. You find it before you reach Nakalva gas station, and before you reach Nakalva school. You're not too far. Not too far around. Yeah. So you can check it out. Anybody come to Jamaica and want some good Jamaican food in the early morning and I pass now up here, so you can check out the little restaurant then. So we heading to Wendy! We heading to Nakalva. Right now. So when we reach closer, you may see the gas station or you may even see the school. So you just go and stay tuned, don't press like it. Press like and remember, run go over Vibe with Squaddy or subscribe to Vibe with Squaddy that have the Nick channel.
Yeah man, you see that's pretty right.
Yeah, you have some nice content over there to me think I want to check them out. Some nice behind the scenes, some nice vlog and short the same way. You just check it out and go there. Like and share, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you can get all notifications. Right here is a Bungrung bus stop. And you go down in the road there and you go on a Bungrung right there, so Mount Ward Primary School up there, so we're close to Nakalva, so all our Nakalva students them big up on yourself, all our Nakalva fans them from the Nakalva Technical High School, big up on yourself. We almost reach the school guys, so now just look out the gas station and the police, one police station there on us, so see police station over there, so there Macalva police station. That a fi Hanover people them. See gas station right there so. Cool Oasis gas station. And they have Macalva school over on this side. School up here so. Technical high school, and then we have the agriculture school right up here so at a college, so that code is live. See one nice little fruit shop, then you can get orange, banana, everything. Everything. Did I tell them about country in a normal place? You see me? House on the hill up there so to can skate. House can skate down when time a landslide and there's up there. Can skate on the toll right there so. You see me?
You say much.
It match down there so I match ground. Football match keep down there so you see me?
Every Sunday.
Nice match and thing every Sunday. You know no now get to see good cars a journey me at but at least so we have an idea where match keep. In case you don't want to come a match. Guys, who remember here so? Who remember here so put up on the hand? Who remember here so? Was a blank. Who remember down here so? Don't tell me wanna see one right here so. Remember? The man with the pro box. Big garbage truck and one next car. Remember what kind of car we have to look again.
This one
Axio. Yeah, mash up. I don't know people they don't tie the same way. But more life and more strength so we have take time drive. So with your Linda's Hill going down the hill?
Yeah, going to Witton.
So everybody in a Witton or Linda's Hill, if nobody from Witton or Linda's Hill, we watch that video and big up on yourself. Westman, big up yourself in a fair place there now. Yeah, and you sit down here so them have so nice liquor corner shop on the roadside them. They don't want so nice little shop them built on the roadside, them nice little corner shop and thing. Yeah man, the place nice. Road good round here so no road work no need for you go on here so. It's the legend. We soon reach our ferries. We soon reach our ferries.
a couple more places to pass before we reach our place.
Well, we are journey. No place more than me, no, because I'm a tourist. So no place. I'm a big driver.
that's it.
And down here so always have no fall. And sometimes river company road and you can see they swim.
Dam.
Yeah, they dam up it. Yes, you want to see them on the road and swim. Beer water, all them place here, beer water. So we there with her now, see? We reach our town. Nice place. Yeah man, they are bad, you know. Who want fish, who want bammy. Yeah, so we're heading to St. Elizabeth now. We just come out of Westmoreland. Yeah, so we're there at St. Elizabeth. We just enter St. Elizabeth. Right, so journey just start again. Alright, now rain a fall. Yeah, we have a little rain on the way. So when we reach to Holland Bamboo, we see what Holland Bamboo looks like, if there is still Holland Bamboo. Up here after storm.
Bamboo gone left Holland.
Bamboo gone left Holland. When we reach up here, we have a look. So this is our first time in St. Elizabeth.
It's Beryl.
Yeah man, we reach our shrimp here. We have people selling shrimp all the way. If you look on the side, you can see some more people over there selling shrimp.
Don't come at them place, when you drive and you come at them place, right now, as you pull up the vehicle, I tell you, people just rush the vehicle with the shrimp bar, you see me? Yeah, so them a place I stay.
And if you wait for you, people say you want shrimp, you know, they make sure so they come.
I believe I drove, I pull up over one part. I buy 2 shrimps there.
Hey,
I pull up over one part.
just for sure, no, they
Just to show you, but I want a special money that go same way, because we always buy from her, you know what I mean?
Yeah, full customer that. But if we stop her, like some random people, them are going to run, yes, them are run. And when we stop a sheep, people still are run come. Oh yeah, the Yankee shrimp are in there today.
Let's see, get on the way. I'm not going to hurt you, so.
Better wait. See a truck big in
See the
between.
truck will stop.
Right, this one he can't wait.
Cannot wait. Oh, that's how I feel like about those stop.
I don't know if you notice the rain stop. Come through one piece of rain a while ago and then the rain stop.
Don't like she not there, you know.
I moved there. It's a few little ends. But she's not here.
I wish she did.
Our little friend there.
Sorry.
Ah! She did it. She in a black blouse. I'm a favorite this. Anytime we come up here, we have to get shrimp from she.
Yeah.
You understand? And when we're going down back, move your big head, Nick. When we are good, go down back. So no look, anytime when I come up here, when I buy shrimp from her, anybody coming up this side, St. Elizabeth, I support her. You see me? Yeah man, she one big fan of Talk Up TV. One. Bossy, see one of your fans there? See it? Get brata, you know?
Yeah, thanks.
See that? Thanks. Alright, see that? Good business are going right here, so people remember, you know.
Alright.
Thanks.
Big up yourself, yeah? Later. See that? Bossy, see that?
Yes, sir.
Give me one, man. I go on some. Them pepper, do you know them pepper? Wow. Pepper seed. Shrimp pepper. So we stop and get something to drink. I'm hot, so I keep on a sweat. Yeah. I'm hot, man. Me a sweat. The heat is on. The pepper is real. Yeah. Place up here so you can get pork and bami
Roti.
and roti, jerk chicken. Alright, we're going into Alan Bamboo now. So look, as me now stop the hungry drive through. Still left, but it's thin. It's not really dark like first time. You have a lot of sunlight under here now. See, there's some of my bamboo them root out over there, so see that? On both sides. Up here, son, no bamboo at all.
Yes,
son, straight, no bamboo.
And you so always shady.
Yeah, so always shady and covered. No farm of bamboo right there, son. All the way coming up. You see? So Alan Bamboo have to go start over again. No man see the bamboo root out. First we have come up here since Beryl. Really can't believe what beautiful Alan Bamboo look like. No little shady that much.
Shady left in about.
Little bit of shady. Mostly sun.
The sun can come through now with ease. Let me have one of the shirt, please.
See the bamboo root out. Like you want to eat more than me. Because when you go shop a while ago, you come out with the bag, go shop a while ago.
I didn't realize.
Oh, and you're out there to eat.
I leave 2 bags in here with you. I must see you to eat.
Huh? Pepper seed. See that? Alan Bamboo messed up, man.
Yeah,
Look there. Root out.
Big tree that.
Open now, look, you know. See there, look over on the head. Look there. understand when we say mash up. How much mile of bamboo? 7 miles.
Or more, though. I'm not sure.
Yeah, more too, yeah. But right now, if you join up the bamboo them close, you're not gonna have new 4 miles of bamboo. If you just join up one left close, to make it look like how it will look. That one see part, the long part of it. Look like bamboo over here, so oh my god. Oh god. But you're still at it. Junior attack, you're at it. No man. Terrible, isn't it? Look at that.
The driver must always stay booming and active.
And eating alone can occupy driver more than a driver can talk. Look at this one over here, guys. Oh wow. Alan gone left the bamboo. No, bamboo them gone left Alan. Look there.
Some of them. And all of them.
God bless you if you were standing.
Only Baba left. Only Baba
Pepper. Look there. Oh my. Enough bamboo turn over, you know? But guess what? You see when bamboo go always a grow still. On a big tree or turn over.
Well, it's a truck there, you know.
Straight to turn. Never hurry up road. Loads. 2 barrels of stuff, remember? Alright, we stop at Ruby's Jerk Center where you get jerk chicken and jerk pork. On the way coming back, yeah, it's raining some parts still, like right here. So we stop and we get something. The journey was long, and yes, the journey was hot. When me say hot, me mean real heat, real type of heat. St. Elizabeth hot, hot. Yeah, me say elsewhere it top right gone, but me couldn't show them because I drive past, and you know by me pass me see them. Couple of them me see where it top them gone and then fix them back yet. But I just say go still, then we soon work on them. You can see them fix up some of them, put on top on them, and you understand? Big tree tear down and all of that. St. Elizabeth is a next topic. You get me? But it's raining, guys. Some of the right in some. I don't know when you can buy now if I jerk pork or what, but my mind tell me say a pork because he love pork, you see, man. Watch him down there. See him there. Up I counter. Pork in gone by. I bet you ain't gonna buy pork and roti. Me the inside I bus. I listen to some Bad Vibes Cartel, World Boss. Big up yourself. Right, this is so you wanna. I get back to my music here. Catch you later. Hot man.
You know what that?
Roti. Hot. I like when they chips like the one we did buy when we come from the girl.
No, the one they are full roti.
That me like.
This is a real roti.
I like when it crips you in the bad ego.
The man don't know not to roti.
You did enjoy that? Can't drive so. The baby mother tell me, say me have another baby mother on the road. What? Wait on. Actually, sure I'm going. Okay, more pulling can crying her. Full.
They're bad. Anybody who got the gas sent it and come through Island Bamboo, you must know what me at that about. See that spot there, that walk spot there. Believe me, that shot. Watch you on the walk, you know.
With their White House. What's the road? Well, look at something out there, so we carve out like a one bird. They're right this one.
No carve out,
So it's there.
You can go over the thing also.
Where is that?
Yeah, you know, yeah, but
See it, man, see it.
camera.
So?
No.
So? So?
Yeah.